What's up, everybody? Heading to the airport right now. Gonna go check on the 210, see where it is. Mechanic gave me a call yesterday, said that the gear have been redone. All of the actuators have been repaired, and they're gonna swing the gear. So we'll see how we're going along. I don't know the current progress on the lifters. When he called me initially and said that the parts had showed up, apparently it was only a single part, so we're still waiting on some parts for the engine, last I heard. I don't know if those have come in this week or not. That was Monday. But the gear is done, the annual is complete or nearly complete, everything else is good to go. So if they got the engine back together, that would be awesome. And we'll just wrap up the annual here in the next week or so. But we'll see how things are progressing, and fingers crossed. Good to know. So I'm sitting here at the mechanic. We just swung the gear, and I also looked at the lifters again. So when the mechanic said that all the parts were in, or some of the parts were in, he just basically saw that that there was a lifter in the box and assumed that all of the lifters were in the box. Turns out that wasn't really the case. There was a single lifter in there. Now, as of today, 4 more lifters showed up, so we've got a total of 5 lifters, but the engine takes 12. Today they were swinging the gear, and it turns out that the gear weren't locking up, or the pump wasn't stopping when the gear came up, and now the circuit breaker needs to be replaced. So we'll see what's going on with that. They're going to replace the circuit breakers, re-swing the gear. I got to see it, got some film of it. You just saw that. So this weekend I'll either go for a motorcycle ride, or I'll rent an airplane, or I'll just sit there and edit video and watch YouTube. Watch you guys fly. So thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that like button if you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell for notifications. It really helps out the channel. We'll talk to you soon.